So it actually took me a minute, but I was able to recall the rollerblades and I ditched the helper. I'm not going to be entering any Olympic sports for roller skating. However, after all right, looks like we're heading in. Here's the if it's open. Oh, it is. Okay, this way to museum and roller skates. Hopefully they rent socks. This place is pretty funky. I like it already.
There's only 1 hour left if you wanna buy it right now.
1 hour left for.
So that's the option, yeah. Oh, sorry, I just noticed, yeah.
Oh, I understand. Okay. All right, so it's 375,000 Indonesian rupiah for 3 people, and we'll get an hour, so we gotta kind of boogie. We'll see what this is all about. An hour might be more than enough. Alright, it took me about 1 second being on roller skates before I realized I don't know how to use them properly, so I'm going to cheat and use these over here. Sophia. Stop. Okay. It just takes a minute to get used to. Hey, Sophia. Just like this, see? So this is actually a little bit more difficult. All right, so this is the museum. I'm gonna try my best to do video while we're doing this, but obviously it's a little hard. It's hard to remember. All you gotta do is put your foot forward to stop. There is more upstairs, so to be continued. I imagine this must be very hectic when there's a lot of people here. Fortunately, there's not a lot. People must be crashing into each other all the time. This is the second floor. That's all, folks. these are just basically photo opportunities, which is fine and it's cool and it's fun. Once you get used to the roller skating aspect, it's kind of trippy. It's not really an art thing. It's more just like a, I don't know how you call it, installation type thing where you roll around. So it actually took me a minute, but I was able to recall the rollerblades and I ditched the helper. I'm not going to be entering any Olympic sports for roller skating. However, after... Oh yeah, there we go. I got it. I didn't fall. After remembering what it was like to rollerblade, I got it. It's actually very hard to video and do this though, so I will be stopping that for the moment. So Sophia figured it out, which is nice. It just takes a little time to get used to the balance. She was saying earlier that it reminds her of like a toddler trying to learn how to walk, and it really is. Alright, so here's a wrap up of the MOJA art museum / roller skating rink.
So excited.
She loved it. It was Sophia's first time. It took her a little bit to get used to it, but then she was a pro at the end using the cheaters. I used to rollerblade and I totally forgot everything because it's been forever. So it took me a while. I used the cheaters for a while, almost slipped a couple times, but by the end I had it going. Not gracefully, but I was able to skate around without it. Is it worth doing? You're not going to be going around here seeing art pieces. You're going to be, it's like basically an installation where there's photo ops. You're going to roll around, take some photo ops and roll around. So if you want to go roller skating and have some really cool photo ops or some nice photos, it's worth it. I think it worked out to 30,000 rupiah for 3 of us. So it's not bad. I believe that's like $10 a person. I'll double check the math and put it in this. Should you do it, it's up to you if you want to go roller skating. There is another section where you can actually paint and stuff like that, which we chose not to do. That is extra money, but I think it'd be a fun time for kids, definitely, and some great photo ops. If you're in Indonesia, in Jakarta, and you have some time in your day, it's worth checking out, right? See you next time.